Tool number 1, the sewing machine. Let's start with the heart of it all, your sewing machine. It doesn't have to be brand new or expensive, but it should be functional and able to make even, consistent stitches. Older or budget machines can be a little noisy, and that's okay. What matters is that it sews smoothly and fits your needs. Buy the best you can afford for now, and you can always upgrade later as your skills grow. Tool number 2, fabric shears. A sharp pair of fabric scissors is the most important tool for a beginner. Using scissors that are only for fabric ensures your cuts stay clean and precise. Avoid cutting paper, cardboard, or plastic with these scissors. Even a small nick can make them less effective for fabric. Over time, a dedicated pair will feel smooth and effortless in your hand, making every project more enjoyable. Tool number 3, a seam ripper. A seam ripper might look small, but it's a lifesaver. Mistakes happen, even to experienced sewers, and this tool lets you fix them without damaging your fabric. Slip the tip under the stitch, lift gently, and you'll remove stitches cleanly. Keep it close while sewing. It saves frustration and keeps your projects neat. Tool number 4, measuring tools. Accurate measurements are the secret to successful sewing. A flexible tape and a simple seam gauge are all you need. Measure twice, mark once. It's the key to straight seams, even hems, and perfectly aligned pieces. Having these tools handy makes cutting and aligning fabric much easier. Tool number 5, pins and clips. Pins and clips are your fabric's best friend. Pins are perfect for holding layers for precise stitching, while clips are great for thick fabrics or multiple layers. Using them properly keeps fabric from shifting and makes seams neat. Over time, you'll learn which works best for each project, and you'll wonder how you ever sewed without them. Iron and pressing tools. Pressing is what makes your projects look professional. Even a small iron will do wonders for seams and hems. Press as you go, and your sewing will look crisp and clean every time. Start with the basics, a reliable sewing machine and a few simple tools, and you'll have everything you need to learn and grow. Remember, it's not about how fancy your tools are, it's how well you use them.